gotta slow down in case there's a cop over here. Is there a cop over here? Don't look like it. We're gonna keep going a little slow. Alright, never mind. The damper on things. Also, guys, I have a cold and I have a face mask on, so I don't know how good the audio is going to be for my voice. I also might be talking a little louder than I need to. I can't really remember how I need to talk. It's been a while since I made any content. Over the winter, there was not many opportunities to make anything. It was kind of depressing, honestly. I don't want to go this slow. I really hope they, whatever way they turn, I'm turning the opposite way. No, we're gonna turn the same way as them. I'll just pass them. It'll be fine. Cars after this turn. I really want to pass this guy. Oh yeah. Today than the last couple days. Tried to go for a couple of rides with my friends, but it was too cold, way too cold. But I don't got any friends with me today, which kind of sucks, but it means I can go faster, so that's okay. Yeah, I don't really know what to talk about. It's been a long time, man. Oh, I'm going a little faster than I need to. Whoopsie daisies. Turn here. We're gonna try and stay off the main road, honestly. Like, I don't really have to, but yeah, I should not be going this fast in town. Oopsie daisy. Oh, it's got a stop sign here. Hey dude, got your dog? I'm doubled up on hoodies right now, doubled up on gloves. I got a face mask and then my helmet. I wish I had like pajama pants under my pants, dude. That'd be pretty sick. I think I'm going down the road that I went down yesterday. That's a dead end. Actually, yeah, I think I definitely am. Actually, I don't know if it's a dead end, but it doesn't take me anywhere. I'm gonna see where it takes me. On God. On God. What is this place? Oh, I know where I am. We're at this place. The bakery. Sorry, I keep sniffling. My nose is cold. Running. I've had enough of this guy. He's going too slow. Roundabout. Oh, I missed my turn. Oopsie daisy. Well, that's okay, I suppose. I don't want my phone to fall out of my pocket. I need like a thing to put my phone on, like a bar mount or something. You dig? I don't even know where this road goes. Rocks! Rocks are no bueno. Very bad. Muy bueno. Wait, no. Muy mal. Very bad. I gotta find a place to turn around. I don't know where I am. I'm gonna turn around here. Recommended speed around corners is really just a recommendation, you know. Well, I got some people to pass. There's a car coming. There's no point in passing any of these people, and that makes me sad. Usually there's not a point in passing anyone that I pass, but I pass them anyway. Oh, I don't like this turn. There's lots of gravel there. Oh! More gravel. More. I also don't know how much battery life my GoPro has, so we'll see when it dies, if it hasn't yet. gotta go slow, gotta go slow. There's no children in that place. Should I really go slow? I could've gone fast. Fast is always better too. Like, why didn't I just go fast?